reactions of aldehyde and ketone. In these reactions of aldehyde and ketone, first reaction is addition reaction, and in this addition reaction, first reaction, that is addition of hydrogen cyanide, that is HCN. This reaction is already completed in previous lecture. Then second reaction is addition of sodium bisulfite. Addition of sodium bisulfite. Sodium bisulfite formula is NaHSO3. In this case, when aldehyde and ketone is treated with saturated aqueous solution of sodium bisulfite, then this gives addition product, that is aldehyde sodium bisulfite or ketone sodium bisulfite, or this is also known as bisulfite compound of aldehyde and ketone. For example, in case of aldehyde, here acetaldehyde. Formula of acetaldehyde is CH3CH double bond O. This acetaldehyde reacts with sodium bisulfite, that is NaHSO3. If this hydrogen atom, here addition takes place, at that time this carbon oxygen bond breaks, sp2 hybridized carbon atom gets converted to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This hydrogen atom is attached to this oxygen atom, and this SO3Na group is attached to this carbon atom. Then we get here addition product. Here addition takes place. This carbon oxygen bond breaks. Then this sp2 hybridized carbon atom get converted to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and hydrogen atom is attached to this oxygen atom, and SO3Na group is attached to carbon atom. Then CH3CH, here this OH and SO3Na. This is addition product of acetaldehyde is obtained. The name of this compound is acetaldehyde sodium bisulfite. Acetaldehyde sodium bisulfite. In case of ketone, for example, acetone, the formula of acetone is CH3CH3 double bond O. Reacts with saturated aqueous solution of sodium bisulfite, that is NaHSO3. Then here also this carbon oxygen bond breaks, and this hydrogen atom is attached to this oxygen atom. sp2 hybridized carbon atom get converted to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This SO3Na group is attached to carbon atom, and product is CH3CH3, here this O and this H, that is OH, and SO3Na, this SO3 and Na, this group is attached to carbon atom. This is addition product. The name of this product is acetone sodium bisulfite. Acetone sodium bisulfite. This is the second reaction, that is addition of sodium bisulfite. Then third reaction is addition of Grignard's reagent. addition of Grignard's reagent. Grignard's reagent means alkyl magnesium halide is known as Grignard's reagent, that is RMGX is known as Grignard's reagent. Here, when aldehyde and ketone is treated with the Grignard's reagent in presence of dry ether, then it first gives, that is, magnesium complex, and then this magnesium complex on acid hydrolysis, in presence of acid hydrolysis takes place, then we get here alcohol. For example, in case of aldehyde, for example, formaldehyde. Formaldehyde formula is HCH double bond O. Formaldehyde, when treated with Grignard's reagent like methyl magnesium iodide in presence of dry ether, then this methyl group is attached to this carbon atom and Mgr is attached to oxygen atom. This bond breaks, double bond get converted to single bond, means this sp2 hybridized carbon atom gets converted to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and we get here product HCH OMgR and here CH3, and this is known as magnesium complex. OMgR, the CH is attached to this carbon atom, that is product is HCHOMgR CH3, this is known as magnesium complex. Then this magnesium complex, that is HCH then OMgR on acid hydrolysis, means in presence of acid like dilute HCl, acid hydrolysis takes place. This O and H combine together to form OH group, means we get here product, that is HCH then CH3 here OH plus this Mg I and OH, means Mg I OH, or this is CH3 CH2 OH, means ethyl alcohol. Name of this product is ethyl alcohol. This is a primary alcohol. This is a primary alcohol. Then take another example of aldehyde is, if aldehyde is acetaldehyde, then this H is replaced to CH3 group, means CH3CHO plus CH3 MgI, that is Grignard's reagent, means here in case of second example, this H is converted to CH3 group, CH3CHO plus CH3MgI, that is methyl magnesium iodide in presence of dry ether. Then this gives magnesium complex, means H is converted to CH3 group. Then product is here CH3CH3OMgI, that is magnesium complex. Then this magnesium complex means here this H is converted to CH3 group. Then CH3CHOMgI CH3, this is a magnesium complex. On acid hydrolysis, then we get here this H is converted to CH3 group. Then product is CH3, that is CH, then CH3OH and plus MgIOH. This is if we take example of acetaldehyde, then this H is converted to CH3 group, this H is converted to CH3 group, this is H converted to CH3 group, and here also H converted to CH3 group. Then we get a product that is CH3CHOH CH3. And name of this product is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. This is the secondary alcohol. Means in case of aldehyde, primary alcohol like ethyl alcohol is obtained. If take example of formaldehyde, then secondary alcohol, that is isopropyl alcohol is obtained. If we take example of acetaldehyde, then in case of ketone, for example, that is acetone. Acetone formula is CH3 double bond O. This acetone reacts with methyl magnesium iodide CH3MgI in presence of dry ether. Then the CH3 group is attached to this carbon atom. This bond breaks and OMgI attached to this oxygen atom. Double bond gets converted to single bond. sp2 hybridizer carbon atom gets converted to sp3 hybridizer carbon atom, and we get here CH3 OMgI and CH3. This is known as magnesium complex. Then this magnesium complex, that is CH3OMgI on acid hydrolysis, that is HOH. Then this O and H gives OH, means CH3OH plus MgIOH. And the name of this product is tertiary butyl alcohol. Means in case of formaldehyde we get ethyl alcohol, in case of acetaldehyde we get here isopropyl alcohol, in case of acetone, that is we get here tertiary butyl alcohol. This is the third addition reaction, that is addition of Grignard's reagent. Then next, fourth reaction, is addition of alcohol. If aldehyde react with alcohol, then it forms, that is acetal. And when ketone react with alcohol, then it forms ketone. Means when aldehyde or ketone is treated with saturated monohydric alcohol, then it first gives, that is hemiacetal or hemiketal. Then this hemiacetal or hemiketal again treated with one more molecule of alcohol, then we get here, that is acetal and ketal. For example, here in case of aldehyde, RCHO, aldehyde when treated with monohydric alcohol, that is R dash OH, in presence of dry HCl. This carbon oxygen bond, double bond, breaks and this hydrogen atom is attached to this oxygen atom. Double bond get converted to single bond. Then we get here R, C, H. Here O and H, that is OH, and this OR dash. OR dash means this double bond breaks here obtained as single bond. sp2 hybridized carbon atom gets converted to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This OR group is attached to carbon atom and this product is known as hemiacetal. Hemiacetal, this is an unstable product. Or this is also known as alkoxy alcohol. Then this hemiacetal again created with one more molecule of alcohol, that is hemiacetal RCH. Here OH, OR dash, again created with another molecule of alcohol, that is R dash OH, in presence of dry HCl. Then this OH and this H remove water molecule plus H2O, and this OR dash group is attached to this carbon atom. Then we get here product RCH, OR dash and OR dash. This is known as geminal dialkoxy compound. Why this is called as geminal? Because here two alkoxy groups are attached to the same carbon atom. Therefore, this is known as geminal dialkoxy compound. Here, in presence of dilute HCl, this reaction is reversed. If we take here dilute HCl, then this reaction is reversed. For example, in case of acetaldehyde, that is CH3CH double bond O created with one molecule of anhydrous monohydric alcohol, that is R dash here C2H5OH, in presence of dry HCl. Then here this bond breaks, oxygen and hydrogen get OH group. This OH group is attached to carbon atom and this OCH5 group is attached to this carbon atom. Then we get a product, that is CH3CH, then here C2H5 OC2H5, and here this H and this O, that is OH. This is known as hemiacetal. This product is unstable product. Then this hemiacetal, that is CH3CH OC2H5, here OH, again created with another molecule of ethyl alcohol, in presence of dry HCl. Then this OH group, this H group removed water molecule plus H2O, then CH3, CH, OC2H5 and OC2H5. Here CH3, CH, OC2H5, OC2H5. this product is obtained. Name of this product is geminal dialkoxy compound. Means here this is first carbon atom, this is second carbon atom. In first carbon atom, this ethoxy, two ethoxy groups are attached. Therefore, name of this compound is 1,1. Here 1,1. Two ethoxy groups are attached to this carbon atom. Therefore, 1,1 diethoxy. And two carbon atoms alkane is ethane. Therefore, 1,1 diethoxy ethane. Similarly, in case of ketone, here ketone when treated with alcohol, ketone, that is RCR dash, when treated with alcohol, that is R double dash OH, in presence of dry HCl, then it forms, that is hemiketal. Similarly, in case of aldehyde, first molecule of alcohol react with aldehyde to give hemiacetal. Here also, in case of ketone, for example, here RC, R dash, gentle reaction plus R double dash OH, then this gives hemiketal, that is this bond breaks, then this hydrogen atom is attached to oxygen atom, we get here OH group, and this O double R dash group is attached to this carbon atom, then RC R dash, here O double R dash and OH. This is known as hemiketal. Then this hemiketal, that is RC R dash OR dash. Here OH, again created with another molecule of alcohol in presence of dry HCl. This reaction is reversed in presence of dilute HCl. Also this reaction is reversed in presence of dilute HCl. Then we get here this OH and this H gives, that is H2O, and here RC R dash O R double dash and this O R double dash. This is known as, that is ketal. Here this is two alkoxy groups are attached to the middle carbon atom. In case of aldehyde, two alkoxy groups are attached to the terminal carbon atom. In this case, two alkoxy groups are attached to the middle carbon atom. Means here aldehyde react with alcohol to give acetal, ketone react with alcohol to give ketal. Then when aldehyde or ketone is treated with 1,2-diol or 1,3-diol, then this gives cyclic acetal or cyclic ketal. For example, in case of aldehyde, that is RC double bond OH, when treated with, that is CH2OH, here OH. Name of this compound is, this is first carbon atom, this is second carbon atom, means 1, 2. These two hydroxy groups are attached to these carbon atoms, therefore 1, 2 dihydroxy, that is ethane, or ethane 1,2 dihydroxy, ethane 1,2-diol. This is known as ethane. This is ethane 1,2-diol. Then this oxygen and these two hydrogens are removed in presence of dry HCl. this reaction is reversed in presence of dilute HCl. Then we get here this double bond breaks and it forms as a single bond. Here sp2 hybridized carbon atom gets converted to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Therefore RCH, then this OO and CH2. Name of this compound is known as, that is cyclic that is acetal. Then in case of ketone, RCH double bond O created with ethane 1,2-diol. Here H is replaced by R, RC double bond O R. This is the general formula of ketone, means created with, that is CH2 OH means ethane 1,2-diol. 2 carbon atoms, therefore ethane. In first carbon atom hydroxyl group is attached, second carbon atom hydroxyl group is attached, therefore ethane 1,2-diol. Here in presence of dry HCl, reaction takes place. This reaction is reversed in presence of dilute HCl. Then we get here RCr. Then this O, this hydrogen, we get here water molecule plus H2O. Then O, CH2, and this is known as cyclic ketone. This is known as cyclic ketone. These are the 4 addition reactions of aldehyde and ketone. First reaction is addition of HCl, second reaction is addition of sodium bisulfite, third reaction is addition of Grignard's reagent, and fourth reaction is addition of alcohol. This is the first reaction, that is addition reaction. Then second reaction is condensation reaction. Second reaction is condensation reaction. In this condensation reaction, your first reaction is condensation reaction or elimination of aldehyde and ketone with ammonia derivatives. Elimination of aldehyde and ketone with ammonia derivatives. In this case, first reaction is action of primary alkyl amines. Action of primary alkyl amines. Formula is RNH2. Primary alkyl amines. General reaction is taken, that is when in case of aldehyde and ketone both contains carbonyl group. Aldehyde and ketone or ketone created with primary alkyl amine, that is RNH2, means RNH2 in presence of weak acidic medium. Then this water molecule is removed and we get here C double bond NR. C double bond NR. This is known as imine. Means when aldehyde and ketone is treated with primary alkyl amine, that is RNH2, in presence of weak acidic medium or H plus, then this gives imine. This is the first reaction. Then second reaction, action of hydroxyl amine. Action of hydroxyl amine, that is NH2OH. Hydroxyl amine. This hydroxyl group, amine group, hydroxyl amine. When aldehyde or ketone, here aldehyde or ketone is treated with hydroxyl amine, that is OH, NH2. This bond breaks. This H2 and O gives H2O molecule. Here also H2O. This reaction takes place in weak acidic medium. Then we get here C double bond NOH. And this is known as oxymes. This is known as oxymes. Means when aldehyde react with hydroxylamine, then we get here aldoxyme, and when ketone reacts with hydroxylamine, then we get here ketoxyme. This is the second reaction. Then third reaction is action of hydrazine. Third reaction is action of hydrazine. Hydrazine formula is NH2NH2. Here when aldehyde and ketone is treated with hydrazine in presence of weak acidic medium, then it gives aldehyde or ketone hydrazone, that is C double bond O plus NH2NH2. This is known as hydrazine in presence of weak acidic medium, that is H plus. This water molecule is removed, this bond breaks and water molecule is removed. Then we get here C double bond, here NH2. And this compound is known as hydrazone. Means aldehyde reacts with hydrazine, then it gives aldehyde hydrazone. For example, acetaldehyde when reacts with hydrazine, then it gives acetaldehyde hydrazone. Acetone, that is example of ketone, acetone reacts with hydrazine, then it gives acetone hydrazone. This is the third reaction, that is action of hydrazine. The next fourth reaction is action of phenyl hydrazine. Hydrazine formula is NH2NH2. This H is replaced by phenyl group. Phenyl group means C6H5 group. Then we get a formula of phenyl hydrazine, that is NH2 NH, and here this is C6H5. This is the formula of phenyl hydrazine. Here when aldehyde or ketone, aldehyde and ketone both contains carbonyl group, C double bond O group, reacts with phenyl hydrazine, that is NH2 NH, then C6H5, NH2 NH, C6H5. In presence of weak acidic medium, this water molecule is eliminated and we get here C double bond NH, C double bond NH, C6H5. This is known as aldehyde phenyl hydrazone. This is a phenyl hydrazine. Here phenyl hydrazone. This is fourth reaction, means when aldehyde is created with phenyl hydrazine, when acetaldehyde is created with phenyl hydrazine, then we get acetaldehyde phenyl hydrazone. When ketone, for example acetone, when created with phenyl hydrazine, then it forms, that is acetone phenyl hydrazone. This is the fourth condensation reaction, means elimination of aldehyde and ketone with ammonia derivatives. Fourth reaction is action of phenyl hydrazine. Then fifth reaction is fifth action of 2,4-dinitro, 2,4-dinitro, that is phenyl hydrazine. Here 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. For example, phenylhydrazine means NH2, NH, here C6H5. This is first carbon atom, this is second carbon atom, NO2 group is attached to the second carbon atom and fourth carbon atom. Means 2,4-dinitro, 2,4-dinitro. This is a phenylhydrazine. When aldehyde or ketone is created with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine, here NO2 and NO2. This reaction takes place in weak acidic media, that is H plus. Your water molecule is eliminated. We get C double bond N NH C6H5 NO2 NO2, means here N, then NH, C6H5, here NO2 NO2. Aldehyde and ketone, this is aldehyde or ketone when created with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. In case of weak acidic medium, then it gives aldehyde 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone. Acetaldehyde is created with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine, then we get acetaldehyde 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone. Here 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone. This is 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. Then sixth reaction is, that is action of semi-carbazide. Sixth reaction is action of semi-carbazide. Semi-carbazide formula is NH2 NH CO NH2. This is the formula of semi-carbazide. NH2 NH CO NH2. Here phenaldehyde and ketone is created with semi-carbazide, that is NH2, then NH CO NH2. In presence of weak acidic medium, then this gives your water molecule is eliminated and we get here C double bond N NaCO and NH2. This is known as semi-carbazole. This is known as semi-carbazole. Aldehyde, for example, acetaldehyde, when treated with semi-carbazole, then it forms acetaldehyde semi-carbazole. In case of ketone, here ketone treated with semi-carbazole, then it forms in weakly acidic medium, it forms that is acetone. For example, acetone semi-carbazole.